In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Google Gemini AI app on your Windows PC or laptop in just a few easy steps. This is a super simple way to make Gemini feel more like a native app, so you can open it faster and use it more conveniently without always typing the website into your browser. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows PC or laptop. Make sure you're using Chrome because this installation method works best through the Chrome browser. Once Chrome is open, go to the official Google Gemini website by typing gemini.google.com into the address bar and pressing enter. When the page loads, sign in with your Google account if you are not already signed in. This is important because Gemini needs your account access before you can use it properly. After you're signed in and the Gemini page is open, look to the top right corner of the Chrome browser. Click the three-dot menu icon. This opens the main browser menu with different options and settings. From here, go down to Cast, Save, and Share. In some versions of Chrome, you may see a direct option that says Install Pages app, Install Gemini, or Install app. If you see any of those, that is the option you want. Click it to begin the installation process. A small prompt will appear asking you to confirm that you want to install the app. Simply click Install to continue. Chrome will now create a shortcut version of Gemini on your computer, and in a few moments the installation will finish. Once it's installed, you can open Google Gemini like an app from your desktop, taskbar or start menu, depending on how your system is set up. This makes it much easier to access whenever you need help with writing, brainstorming, coding, or quick answers. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Google Gemini AI app on your Windows PC or laptop. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.